Seniors, eat this before bed to improve your eyes and vision during sleep. Many seniors pour thousands of dollars every year into pills, eye drops, new glasses, and pricey treatments. All while the pharmaceutical industry continues to profit. But the truth is, the real solution might already be waiting quietly in your kitchen. You see, many people have been led to believe that vision loss is just an inevitable part of aging. That those blurry evenings, dry, scratchy eyes or cloudy mornings are something you just have to accept. But that's not true, and science is proving it. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and realizing your eyes feel different. No more blurry nights. No more gritty, tired eyes. And suddenly, you can read that small print on your phone without squinting. Sounds impossible? It's not. Because in this video, you'll discover 5 powerful foods you can eat before bed that actually work overnight to repair and protect your eyes. These bedtime superfoods are backed by science. They boost night vision, reduce dryness, and protect your retina from age-related damage, all while you sleep. But before we get started, I would love to hear from you. Share in the comments below, what's bothering your eyes the most right now? Is it blurry nights, dryness, or trouble reading? And what do you usually eat before bedtime? I'll be reading every single comment and sharing personalized tips with you. So if you've ever struggled with cloudy mornings or watery eyes at night, stay tuned, your vision is about to get a natural upgrade. Alright, let's begin our countdown with food number 5. And I can promise you it's one most people never even think about. Number 5, kiwi, the melatonin vision booster. Let's start with a surprising one, kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit doesn't just help you sleep, it helps your eyes repair themselves while you sleep. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin, 3 nutrients that protect the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. But here's the kicker, kiwi also increases melatonin production, meaning you'll fall asleep faster and give your eyes more time to heal. Eat 1 ripe kiwi 30 minutes before bed, and let those antioxidants go to work overnight. Number 4, carrot smoothie with almond milk, the classic with a twist. Yes, carrots. But not the raw ones you crunch during the day. For nighttime, blend carrots with almond milk to make a creamy smoothie packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, essential for night vision. The healthy fats in almond milk help your body absorb vitamin A more efficiently. Studies show that people who eat enough vitamin A-rich foods are 50% less likely to develop night blindness. Sip this soothing drink before bed, your eyes will thank you in the morning. Number 3, blueberries, the nighttime retinal shield. If you often wake up with sore or dry eyes, blueberries might be your bedtime hero. They're packed with anthocyanins, pigments that improve blood flow to the retina and protect against oxidative stress. In one long-term study, people who consumed blueberry extract daily showed improved contrast sensitivity, meaning they could see better in low light and distinguish details more clearly. Add a small handful of blueberries to yogurt or oatmeal before bed, a delicious, eye-loving ritual. Number 2, boiled egg, the simple retinal repairer. Eggs may seem basic, but they're one of the most powerful vision foods out there. The yolk contains lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, a trio that helps rebuild eye cells damaged by UV light and aging. Zinc also helps your body transport vitamin A from your liver to your retina, where it's converted into the pigment that allows you to see clearly in the dark. Have 1 soft-boiled egg at night. It's gentle on digestion, rich in eye nutrients, and perfect for bedtime repair. Number 1, avocado, the night vision saver. And finally, our number 1 bedtime food for better vision, avocado. This creamy fruit is a goldmine of healthy fats, lutein, and vitamin E, which strengthen the eye tissue and prevent macular degeneration. In fact, a landmark study found that people who regularly ate avocados had over 50% lower risk of age-related vision loss. Avocado's monounsaturated fats also help absorb fat-soluble nutrients from other foods, meaning if you eat avocado with carrots or eggs, you supercharge the benefits. Enjoy a few avocado slices with dinner or mash it on whole grain toast before bed. It's like sending your eyes to the spa every night. So, seniors, before you reach for supplements or expensive eye drops, try these simple bedtime foods that naturally restore your vision overnight. Let me know in the comments, do you struggle more with dry eyes, blurry evenings, or reading at night? If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's been rubbing their eyes too often, and subscribe for more natural health secrets that keep you strong, sharp, and youthful, even after 60.